Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Debbie and welcome back to my channel, Miss Deb. Today I'm doing a makeover on my beautiful friend Lillian. She's going to be modeling a bridal makeover look for me today. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm a makeup enthusiast and I like to do makeovers on people once in a while. So I decided to put some super light foundation on her for the laugh to see her reaction. And then I wiped it right off and we used that as the thumbnail. It's a little clickbait. Okay, I know, but you might as well stick around and see the final look. Okay, so I mixed two foundations to get her shade because I wanted to match the foundation that I used on her to her chest and not to her face because her face is slightly, think just a tiny bit darker than her chest. Don't worry, all the products I'm using are going to be listed in the description bar below, so you will know exactly what products I've been used to create this look today. So I'm just blending. I kind of fast forwarded this bit so that way you guys are not just, watching me blend for ages. Lillian has naturally thick eyebrows, which are bold and beautiful. So it's very easy to just create a shape because she has a shape. All I have to do is kind of follow out the outline and clean it up and then blend it out, which is what you're gonna see me do right now. Baby, come closer. All I ask is that you stay by my side. Baby, please. Baby, come closer. Don't you baby, come closer. Baby, come closer. Yeah, yeah. All I ask is that you stay by my side. Then I went ahead and put the excess on her lids to prep her eyes for eyeshadow. But these are her final brows. What you guys think? Thumbs up if you like these brows. Then I set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in brown. So straight away I'm working into her crease, the brown shade as a transition color from the Nubian palette. And I'm just going to blend it out and just give it like a nice transition. Then I went in with the darker brown shade and I kind of used that to define the crease as well. I popped some concealer on her eyes and I had her look up to the sky so that way I can see how far the crease of her eyelids go, so that way I'll know where to place the eyeshadow in the center to create the spotlight look we're going for today. So once I've popped the concealer on, I went in for this dark bronzy shade and I just placed that in the center of our eye. And the reason why I went for the dark browny bronzy shade is because it creates a neutral glam, which is what we're going for, like a neutral glam bride. So I popped that just right in the center of her lid. So right in the center of her lid, I take the Jackie Aina palette and I take the color Zam and I just put Zam right on top of the center of the lid just to give it that dimension of shine in the center. So then I put the Soleil shade, the really light shade, I can never say the name of it. I put that right in the inner tear duct area. So now I'm just applying the wing liner to create a very subtle wing line, but not too obvious, but a little bit obvious. And I'm just going to drag that down carefully. If you see how I'm going, I'm just bringing it up slowly. So I'm applying the lashes off camera and you can see they're really cutie. We had a little difficulty with the lashes off camera, but I'm now using my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Olive. And I really love this concealer. It's really, full coverage, proper amazing concealer. So if you haven't tried it out, give this concealer a try. I really do love it. And now I'm just blending out her face, literally. And now I'm just going in with the contour. I'm using the shade 495 by Fenty Beauty. I like to blend my contour and highlight at the same time because that way I can blend them seamlessly into each other. So after I've blended out the concealer and the contour, I'm just setting her under eye with Fenty's Pro Filter powder in Banana. I absolutely love that powder. And now I'm just finishing off the rest of her face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the brown shade. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna let it like bake for like 2 minutes. I don't leave it on for too long because that avoids flashback, and then I just take it off. I'm using the Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mami just to add some warmth back to her face, warmth that has been removed by highlighting and contouring. So it's now time for me to add more definition to her face. So what I'm doing is I'm taking credit from the Jackie Aina palette. It's my absolute favorite brown for dark skin. And I'm just using that to just sharpen her contours and just make it more bold and add more dimension to her face. That's more obvious. I just love that brown. It's just like a warm but kind of strong brown at the same time. And then I took Cameroon from the Juvia's Place Afrique palette and I just put that on her cheeks and just kind of warmed up her face even more. And as you can see, the orange tone kind of complements her yellow undertone and just gives her that more natural color and radiant glow. And then I took my Saint Marcel highlighter kit and I just added a little bit of shine to the apple of her cheeks. And you know, I'm making sure I'm blending it out so we don't have any harsh kind of highlight demarcation. I'm taking the MUA lip liner in the shade Obsession and I'm just using that to line her lips. And then I'm going in with the shade Charlotte from Flick Cosmetics. It's my favorite nude. I absolutely love this nude, so I'm just putting that in the center of her lips. And then guys, I did some cleaning up, you know, here and there. And then I set her face with some setting spray. And here we have the finished look. Enjoy guys.
I like my dark skin, dark chocolate or Coca-Cola ting. When I go sleep, she's my nightcap. Give her 2 shots, dagga dagga da. Sometimes.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean, filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.